Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss solved problems of the chapter matrices. If you didn't watch the previous videos, the link is in the description, watch it. Matrix A is given as 2, 3, minus 1, 7, 8, 5, and matrix B is given as 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 4, minus 1, and he is asking to find the value of A plus B. Addition as well as subtraction of the two matrices or more than two matrices is possible if and only if the order of both the matrices are same. So this is the matrix with order 2 by 3 and this is also 2 by 3 order only. If both the matrices are having the same order, then only addition or subtraction is possible. Same number of rows as well as same number of columns. Now corresponding elements of both the matrices we need to add. So we get A plus B is equals to, here first element, first row first element is 2, here first row first element is 1. Those two elements only we need to do addition. Then first row second column element, first row second column element 3 plus 0. First row third column element, first row third column minus 1 plus 1. Then second row first column, second row first column 7 plus 2. Second row second column, second row second column 8 minus 4. Second row third column, second row third column 5 minus 1. Now let us simplify this. So A plus B is equals to 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 0 3, minus 1 plus 1 0, 7 plus 2 9, 8 minus 4 4, 5 minus 1 4. So this is the answer of A plus B. Next, second problem. If x minus 1, 2, y minus 5, z 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1 plus a equals to 1 minus x, 2 minus y, 2, 0, 2, 1 minus 1, 1. Then find the values of x, y, z and a. Okay, in this question he clearly mentioned that if this matrix is equal to this matrix, so from the given question itself we can conclude these two matrices are equal to each other. So if two matrices are equal to each other, then the corresponding elements are also equal to each other. So first row first column, first row first column, these two are equal to each other. So let us make these two equal now. X minus 1 equals to 1 minus x. Minus x I'll bring this side and minus 1 I'll take this side. So x as it is, minus x will become plus x is equals to 1. Minus 1 will become plus 1. X plus x, 2x is equals to 1 plus 1, 2. The next value is 1. Next, first row second column is 2. Here also 2. So no alphabet is there. So no need to worry about it. Next, first row third column, first row third column. Let us make these two equal now. Y minus 5 equals to minus y. Y minus 5 equals to minus y. Take minus y to the left side and take minus 5 to the right side. Y plus y is equals to plus y. Y plus y, 2y equals to 5. Then y value will be equals to 5 divided by 2. This is the y value. Next, second row first column z, second row first column 2. So z value is equals to 2. Next, Here 0 0 is there, so no problem. 2 2 is there, no problem. 1 1 is there, no problem. -1 -1 is there, no problem. Next, third row third column 1 plus a, third row third column 1. So make 1 plus a is equals to 1. 1 plus a equals to 1. Left side right side both ones will get cancelled, then we remains with a is equals to 0. So the values are x is equals to 1, phi equals to 2, z equals to 2 and a equals to 0. In the third question, he is asking to find the trace of the matrix 1, 2, minus 1 by 2, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 1 by 2, 2 and 1. So trace is nothing but sum of the diagonal elements of a square matrix. So this is the diagonal. So now in this diagonal, what are the elements are there? We need to add all those elements. 1 plus of minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 both will get cancelled, then we remains with 1. Trace of the matrix, that is TR of some matrix, if we take it with some capital A, trace of A is equals to 1. And next question is, matrix A is given as 4, minus 5, minus 2, 3. Then he is asking to find the value of minus 5a. So this is scalar multiplication. Simply minus 5 we need to multiply with the matrix 4 minus 5 minus 2 3. So whenever we are multiplying a matrix with a scalar number, that is just a constant, simply multiply that constant with each and every element of the matrix. So that is minus 5 into 4 minus 20, minus 5 into minus 5 25, minus 5 into minus 2 10, minus 5 into 3 minus 15. Next question is, find the additive inverse of matrix A. I 0 1 0 minus I 2 minus 1 1 5. He is asking to find the additive inverse of this. So additive inverse of A is minus A. Minus A can be written as minus 1 into A. Again same like the previous problem, that is scalar multiplication. So simply minus 1 into matrix I 0 1 0 minus I 2 minus 1 1 5. Now each and every element of the matrix we need to multiply with minus 1. So if you multiply minus 1 into I minus I, minus 1 into 0 0, minus 1 into 1 minus 1. The same way with the second row. Minus 1 into 0 0, minus 1 into minus I plus I, minus 1 into 2 minus 2. The same with the third row also. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 into 1 minus 1, minus 1 into 5 minus 5. So this is the additive inverse of the given matrix A. Next question. Matrix A is given as 2 3 1 6 minus 1 5. matrix B is given as 1 2 minus 1 0 minus 1 3, and then he is asking, then find the matrix X such that A plus B minus X equals to 0. And what is the order of the matrix X? So now if we take this minus X to another side, then it will become plus X. So we will get X is equals to A plus B. So this is what we need to find. So simply the both given matrices, if we do addition, we will get the X matrix. Let us do that addition now. So X is equals to matrix A, that is 2 3 1 6 minus 1 5, 2 3 1 6 minus 1 5, plus second matrix 1 2 minus 1 0 minus 1 3. Okay, now for doing addition, otherwise subtraction, we need to add the corresponding elements. First row first column, first row first column, so 2 plus 1. First row second column, first row second column, 3 plus 2. First row third column, first row third column, 1 minus 1. Second row first column, second row first column, 6 plus 0. Second row second column, second row second column, second row third column, second row third column, 5 plus 3. Now if we simplify this, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 1 minus 1 0, 6 plus 0 6, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, 5 plus 3 8. So this is the value of the matrix X. And in this he is also asking what is the order of the matrix. Always order will be represented with rows into column. So here this is row 1, this is row 2. So 2 rows are there into, and this is one column, this is second column, this is third column. So total 3 columns are there. So that order of the matrix, that is X, is 2 cross 3 or 2 by 3. Next question is, matrix A is given as 0 1 2 2 3 4 4 5 6, and matrix B is given as 1 minus 2 0 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 3. Then he is asking to find the value of A minus B. 2 questions are there. First let us finish this one, A minus B. So first matrix A, 0 1 2 0 1 2 2 3 4 4 5 6. This is matrix A minus matrix B, 1 minus 2 0 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 3. Just doing subtraction. Subtraction is also same like addition, only corresponding elements only we need to subtract. First row first, first row first, 0 minus 1. First row second, first row second, 1 minus of minus 2. First row third column, first row third column, 2 minus 0. Second row first column, second row first column, 2 minus 0. Second row second column, second row second column, 3 minus 1. Second row third column, second row third column, 4 minus of minus 1. Third row first column, third row first column, 4 minus of minus 1. Third row second column, third row second column, 5 minus 0. Third row third column, third row third column, 6 minus 3. So now if we simplify this, zero minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus of minus plus 1 plus 2 3, 2 minus 0 2, 2 minus 0 2, 3 minus 1 2, 4 minus of minus 1 4 plus 1 5. Again 4 minus of minus 1 4 plus 1 5, 5 minus 0 5, 6 minus 3 3. Next, for the same matrices, he is asking to find the value of 4b minus 3a. Let us check that now. 4b minus 3a. 4 into matrix B is given as 1 minus 2 0, 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 3 minus 3 into A, matrix A, 0 1 2 2 3 4 4 5 6. Okay, let us find it out now. So 4 into matrix B, that is nothing but scalar multiplication. So outside number multiply with each and every element. 4 into 1 4, 4 into minus 2 minus 8, 4 into 0 0, 4 into 0 0, 4 into 1 4, 4 into minus 1 minus 4, 4 into minus 1 minus 4, 4 into 0 0, 4 into 3 12 minus 3 into 0 0, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 2 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. Okay, now let us do subtraction of these. Just simply subtracting the corresponding elements. 4 minus 0 minus 8 minus 3, 0 minus 6, 0 minus 6, 4 minus 9, minus 4 minus 12, minus 4 minus 12, 0 minus 15, 12 minus 18. 4 minus 0 4, minus 8 minus 3 minus 11, 0 minus 6 minus 6, 0 minus 6 minus 6, 4 minus 9 minus 5, minus 4 minus 12 minus 16, minus 4 minus 12 minus 16, 0 minus 15 minus 15, 12 minus 18 minus 6. Next, let us move to solved problem 8. Set A is, sorry, it's not set A. Matrix A is given as 1, 2, 3, 4. And matrix B is given as 3, 8, 7, 2. And 2x plus A equals to B. Then he is asking us to find the x value. So now what we will do, here plus A is there, I will take that to another side, then we will get minus A. So 2x is equals to B minus A. So first let us find out this value, that is B minus A. Okay, matrix B is 3, 8, 7, 2. 2x is equals to, matrix B is 3, 8, 7, 2. 3, 8, 7, 2 minus matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 minus here. 3 minus 1, 2. 8 minus 2, 6. 7 minus 3, 4. 2 minus 4, minus 2. This is the value of 2x. But we want only the value of x. So to get the value of x, every element of this matrix we need to divide by 2. So 2 by 2, 6 by 2, 4 by 2, minus 2 by 2. then we get the answer as 1, 3, 2, minus 1. So finally the x value is 1, 3, 2, minus 1. Next, problem number 9. So in the problem 9, already he only gave September sales as well as October sales. September sales are given as 1000, 2000, 3000, 5000, 3000, 1000. Next, matrix B, this is related to October sales. 500, 1000, 600, 2000, 1000, 1000. Okay, first question he is asking, find the combined sales. So combined sales is nothing but just doing addition. So A plus B we need to do. First row, first column, first row, first column. 1000 plus 500, 1500. First row, second column, first row, second column. 2000 plus 1000, 3000. First row, third column, first row, third column. 3000 plus 600, 3600. Now let us move to the second column. Second row, first column, second row, first column. 5000 plus 2000, 7000. Second row, second column, second row, second column. 3000 plus 1000, 4000. Second row, third column, second row, third column. 1000 plus 1000, 2000. So these are the combined sales in September as well as October. Next, second question he is asking, decrease in sales from September to October. So A minus B value we need to find out now. A minus B, if we check it out, thousand minus 500, 500. 2000 minus 1000, 1000. 3000 minus 600, 2400. 5000 minus 2000, it is 3000. 3000 minus 1000, 2000. 1000 minus 1000, 0. So this is the decrease in sales from September to October. Next, 10th problem. So in the 10th question he is asking to construct a 3 by 2 matrix whose elements are defined by Aij is equals to 1 by 2 modulus I minus 3j. Okay, now he clearly mentioned that it should be a 3 by 2 matrix. So 3 rows, 2 columns. So it will become A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. This is in general 3 by 2 matrix. Okay, now he said one condition clearly, that is half modulus I minus 3j. So now in this numbering 1 1, first number belongs to I and second number belongs to J. Same here also, ij, 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 ij and ij. Okay, now first let us find the A11 element, that is first row, first column. Half modulus I means 1 minus 3 into J means 1, which is equals to half modulus 1 minus 3, which is equals to half mod 1 minus 3, it is minus 2. Half as it is into mod minus 2, it is plus 2. Then 2 will get cancelled, so we remains with 1. Just for easily understanding, again in the next step I'll make it highlight. Then let us find A12, first row, second element. A12 is equals to half modulus I minus 3j. I is nothing but 1 minus 3 into j is nothing but 2, which is equals to half mod 1 minus 3 2s are 6, which is equals to half mod 1 minus 6 minus 5. This is equals to half into mod minus 5 plus 5. So it will be 5 divided by 2. This is first row, second column element. Next, let us move to the second row. That is A21, which is equals to half modulus I minus 3j. So I is 2 minus 3 into j is 1, which is equals to half modulus 2 minus 3 1s are 3, which is equals to half modulus 2 minus 3 minus 1, half into modulus minus 1, 1, nothing but 1 by 2. Next, A22 if we find, that is second row, second column. Half modulus I minus 3j. Here I is 2 minus 3 into 2, which is equals to half absolute value 2 minus 3 2s are 6, which is equals to half modulus 2 minus 6 minus 4, which is equals to half into modulus minus 4, 4. So 2 1s are 2 2s are, this answer is 2. Next, second row completed. Now let's move to the third row. A third row, first column. Half modulus I minus 3j. I is 3 minus 3 into j is 1, which is equals to half modulus 3 minus 3 1s are 3, equals to half modulus 3 minus 3 0. So half into 0, nothing but 0. Next, last element, that is third row, second column. Half modulus I minus 3j, which is equals to half modulus 3 minus 3 2s are 6. So we get half modulus 3 minus 6 minus 3, half into mod minus 3, 3. We get it as 3 by 2. Okay, now we got all the elements. By taking all these elements, let us represent the matrix 3 by 2. First one we have 1, then 5 by 2. 1, 5 by 2. Next, 1 by 2, 2. 1 by 2, 2. Next, last row, 0, 3 by 2. 0, 3 by 2. This is the matrix 3 by 2 which he asked in the question to construct. Till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.